Today's video, we will talk about the Aldol reaction mechanism. So the Aldol reaction is a reaction between two aldehydes or ketones or cross them together. So in this example, we'll do two of the same. So the first step is deprotonation of the alpha carbon. So how that happens is we have some sort of base that attacks this really acidic proton. Acidic proton makes an enolate. Makes an enolate, and this can resonance with this. Okay. So that's how you form the first step, an enolate. This is what we'll use. And this is also our nucleophile, which can attack our electrophile. So that joins the alpha carbon with the carbonyl carbon. But the carbonyl carbon is no longer carbonyl, it is an alcohol now. Wow, it's a deprotonated alcohol. It's a negative charge there, and there are two methyls attached to this carbonyl carbon. Okay, so this can get protonated in our water. So this is the first step. We get a beta hydroxycarbonyl compound from the Aldol reaction, but because it's in a basic solution, this can undergo further elimination called the E1CB elimination. So it's almost like just an elimination of the hydrogen, but except you wouldn't just put your alkene here. You actually have to do a 360 around the molecule by deprotonating the alpha carbon and then pushing that alkene on the side of the carbonyl so that you make the carbonyl into an ion. So there you have an enolate once again. And then this negative charge comes back down, push this over and eliminate the water. And that's how you get an alpha-beta unsaturated compound. So this is the Aldol reaction. Main takeaways is first step is form enolate, and then you have a nucleophilic addition between your enolate nucleophile and the carbonyl electrophile. And then you might want to protonate this, at least for the lab exam. And the next thing, so nucleophilic addition, and the third step is E1CB elimination. It's almost like E2, but you have to do a 360 elimination around the molecule, so you wouldn't just eliminate it on where you want the position to be. Okay, so that is the Aldol reaction. So if you use two identical starting materials, it's called a self-Aldol condensation. You could also have a crossed Aldol reaction if you start with two different carbonyl substrates. And in crossed Aldol condensation reactions, you form an alpha-beta unsaturated ketone, and also the Aldol reaction product will lose one equivalent of water.